So let's just talk about hybrid inheritance in Python. So hybrid inheritance is basically combination of multiple types of inheritance, such as it can have single inheritance, it can have multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance. So we can combine different inheritance types and we can create complex class hierarchy, and this can be useful when building large applications with a lot of reusable and modular code. So like an example, suppose you have the class vehicle, so it has the method start and here it prints vehicle started, and then again we have another class car which inherits from the vehicle class and it has the method drive and here it prints car driving. And also we have another method class boat, it also inherits from the vehicle class, and here we can define the method sell and here it prints boat selling. And also we have one base class amphibious vehicle and it inherits from the car class and also the boat class. So here it has the method modes and here it prints land and water mode. So here we are combining multiple different types of inheritance. Because we are combining multiple inheritance, this is why it is called the hybrid inheritance. So now we can create object of this base class. So we can create the object of this amphibious vehicle class, and now we can use the object and we can call the modes method that is coming from this class itself, and also we can use that to call the sell method which is coming from this parent boat class, and also we can use this to call the drive method which is from the parent car class. And not just this, also we can use this and we can call this start method from this vehicle class. So object dot start, and here you can see we have this output. So here first of all we have this vehicle class, so this is the parent class, and then we have this car class, so the car class is inherited from this vehicle class, and then we have this boat class, so the boat class also inheriting from this vehicle class, and after that we have this amphibious vehicle class, so the amphibious vehicle class inheriting from the car class and also from this boat class. So this is our hierarchical inheritance because we have one single parent and multiple child classes. And also here we have this multiple inheritance where we have multiple parent class and one single child class. So because we are combining multiple types of inheritance together to create some complex structure, that's why this is called the hybrid inheritance. So because here this can create the diamond problem, that's why Python uses the method resolution order to resolve this problem. So hope you understand about the hybrid inheritance in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.